Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is 81 is to power sine square x plus 81 is to power cos square x is equals to 30. And we will solve this question for this x. And in order to solve this question, as we know that from the trigonometric identity is sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. And this expression can be written as sine square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x. How? Simply, this plus cos square x will move to the other side of the equation and convert into 1 minus cos square x, because this positive cos square x will convert into minus cos square x, and as a result we will get value for the sine square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x. And we should insert value of sine square x inside this expression, and we will get 81 is to power 1 minus cos square x, because we replace this sine square x from 1 minus cos square x, and the other part of the equation will remain same, which is plus 81 is to power cos square x is equals to 30. Now, this expression can be written as 81 over 81 is to power cos square x, because when we break this power, we can write as 81 is to power will be equal to 81, and when apply 81 power minus cos square x on this 81, this will be equal to 81 cos square x, because it is a minus cos square x is a negative power for 81, so it will move from numerator to denominator and convert into 81 cos square x, and the other part of the equation will remain same, which is plus 81 cos square x is equal to 30. Now, in the next step, we should consider 81 cos square x is equal to 1. Now, we will replace both of these values from this a, and as a result, we will get 81 over a plus a equal to 30, which is our new expression. Now, we will simplify this expression by taking LCM, and as a result, we will get 81 plus a square equal to 30. How? Simply, this a will multiply with this a, and we will get a square, and when this a will move after simplifying this condition by taking LCM, this will be, or this a will be the whole denominator for this whole expression, and it will move from this denominator to this toward this 30, and it will convert into 30a. Now this 30a will move to the other side of the equation and convert into minus 30a, and a plus a square and plus 81 will remain same, and as a result we will get equal to 0 on the other side of the equation. Now you can see that this is a quadratic equation and a factorizable equation. So here we apply factorization, or we will factorize this equation. You can see that this 81 is the C of a quadratic equation. It means that this C having a positive sign, it means that this B of a quadratic equation will break in the same sign, and as a result, or addition will perform over here. So as a result, we will get a square minus 27a minus 3a plus 81 equal to 0, because we will break this 30 into minus 2a minus 3a, because when we add both of these value, we will get minus 30, and when we multiply both this value, the product of both this value will be equal to the product of both of these value. So it means that this is the correct way to factorize this equation. Now in the next step, we should take common a from both of these value, and a will be the common value and a minus 27 will be the remainder. Now we should take common minus 3 from both of these value. As a result, we will get minus 3 as a common value, and a minus 27 will be the remainder. Equal to 0 will remain same. Now in the next step, we should take a minus 23 from the whole expression, and we will get a minus 3 as a remainder, and a minus 27 will be the common value. Now we should take common a minus 3 equal to 0 and a minus 27 equal to 0. Now this minus 3 will move to the other side of the equation, and we will get the first value for a, which is a equal to 3. Now as we know that from our consideration, this a is equal to 81 cos square x, and this 81 can be converted into 3 to power 4, and cos square x will remain same. This 3 will remain same. Now from the basic rule of algebra, if the two bases are equal in magnitude, then their power are also equal. So here we apply the same rule and we will get 4 cos square x is equals to 1. Now this 4 will move to the other side of the equation and will divide this one, and we will get cos square x equal to 1 over 4. Now we should apply squaring on the both sides of the equation, and we will get cos x is equals to plus minus 1 over 2. Sorry, we apply root on the both sides of the equation, and we will get cos x is equals to plus minus 1 over 2, because the root of 1 is 1, but the root of the 4 is equal to 2. Now we will apply cos inverse on the both side of the equation. We will get the cos inverse and cos will cancel out, and x will be equal to arc of cos plus minus 1 over 2, because the cos inverse will be equal to arc of cos. So here this is the first value for the x, which is x is equal to arc of cos plus minus 1 over 2. Now we should solve this expression, which is a minus 27. So this minus 27 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into a is equals to 27. Now this a can be written as 3 to power 4 cos square x. How? Simply, as we know that this a equal to is 81 is to power cos square x, and this 81 can be converted into 3 is to power 4. So here we do the same thing, and cos square x will remain same. This 27 can be written as 3 to power 3. Now from the basic rule of algebra, if the bases are equal in magnitude, then their power are also equal. Here we apply the same rule and we will get 4 cos square x equal to 3. Now this 4 will go in division with this 3, and we will get 3 over 4, and cos square x we will get on the other side of the equation. Now we will apply root on the both side of the equation, and we will get cos x is equal to plus minus under root 3 over 2. Now this cos will move to the other side of the equation and convert into arc of cos, and here we get the second value for the x, which is x is equal to arc of cos plus minus under root 3 over 2, and this is the answer for this expression, or here this is the second value for this x. I hope this video very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.